This is John Lee Hilliard from JT's Vending. Coming to you today, um, January 10th. Yeah, January 10th. It's about 1600 our time, Central Time. So, my goal over the next 6 days or 7 days is to put out five, give you 5 ways that you could save up to $1,000 each month. So, it'll be a total of, 30 ways to save $1,000. But what I want to do is every five that I put out, we're going to talk about them, walk through them. You guys leave comments in the comment section on, any of the five that you have questions about, so I can kind of get some feedback, and then I can kind of walk you through it at the same time. So these things that I'm giving out, I've done them. Me and my wife have done them, and they were horrible. They were painful, but now we good. We can do what we want. So let's jump right into the first one. So I'll start from number five. Um, so number five is cancel your subscriptions and memberships. So for me and my wife, we had several unnecessary memberships. We had Peacock, Netflix, Stitch Fit, Hulu. She had D and Company, and we had so many subscriptions, and you don't even realize you're you're paying 15, 10, $5 a month, but that all of that money is going to a company that you're not utilizing their services at all. Like we was like, oh, we have Peacock, Hulu. We was like, oh crap, we back up to unnecessary subscriptions. So we went through just the other day and canceled our Disney because we got another platform we're using for our children. But going through canceling those subscriptions and memberships, like we had a gym membership, we hadn't used it in like a year and a half, and we were still paying for it. Cancel it, get rid of it, because the more you go, oh, I'm gonna go, I'm gonna go, I'm gonna go. From my experience, I didn't get up and go, obviously. So cancel your subscriptions and memberships that are unnecessary. Look at your bank account and see who's taking out subscription subscription fees each month. And then if you don't use it, cancel it. Number four will be you could you could transport packages for Amazon Flex. Um, they pay around 18 to $25 an hour, especially here in Memphis. They pay quite a lot, um, but you have to be careful, women, especially at night, especially in Memphis, where it's kind of high crime. If you're delivering in a low income area, it ain't pretty. So just be careful. But that's a kind of a side thing you can do, side hustle, along with kind of saving, bringing in extra money. Um, and then you can, number three, you could do deliver food. Um, that's great money for tips. You can DoorDash and keep 100% of your tips. You can do all of it, DoorDash, Grubhub, Instacart, all that stuff. That's a lot better because you're delivering groceries to people who need the groceries. They need the food or they can't get out. And that's an extra way to save some money without having to take from what you already have for your monthly bills. Number two will be drive for Uber or Lyft. You know, you can do it for a few weeks. I've done it. I've done DoorDash. I think I did Uber, but it was for a short time in between jobs, and we were I think we had came back from traveling, and came back from Connecticut, and I needed some work real quick, so I just started DoorDash and Grubhub, anything I can to put some extra money in my pocket. And then number one would be, so our number one thing that I want to go over with you guys would be the I want everybody to do it with me because I'm going to do it as well. Starting, it's the 10th of January. So starting February 1st, I want all of our subscribers, all of you guys on YouTube and TikTok, to, if you're interested, to go walking through this with me. I've done it several times and I like doing it because I'm a saver. But it's one of the massive things that allowed me to be able to look at my bank account and understand my spending habits. And the number one thing is I want to do a 30-day no spend challenge with you guys. So that's essentially 30 days of only paying your bills, your cost of living, your four walls, which would be food, transportation, shelter, and utilities. Paying those four, which are your four walls, and then of course, you need gas for your car. Your bills to help you live. And then when it comes down to the wants, 30-day challenge of not spending any money on the things that you want. Just 30 days. If you've been alive more than 15 years on this earth, 30 days should be, it'll be difficult, but you have to tell yourself, is it worth it? And if it's not worth it to you, then don't do it. If it's worth it to you, to see how your budget looks after not going out to eat for 30 days, not going out to club or to drinking or going out drinking or going out partying because you feel like it, or just throwing money, trying to make it rain and you living paycheck to paycheck. So this is a challenge that I wanted to bring to our subscribers, all of you guys who watch our videos. And February 1st, I'll come back and we'll start on it. And I'm gonna start with you guys. I'm gonna do it too because I'm excited. And I just want to try to show you guys that it's possible. It was possible for me by following these methods to get myself and my family into a better living situation, to get us out of the hood, to start building some generational wealth instead of being so angry and complaining at others because what they have, because I don't have it. And you have to understand, me making money does not take money out of your pocket. Me running my vending machine business does not take money from the grocery stores. It does not. There's plenty of money and customers to serve to go around. So, if you guys are interested, put the word budget in the comment section. Put the word budget in the comment section if you're interested, and then I'll reach out to you via TikTok or YouTube or something, and just as small reminders, be like, hey, it's the last week of January. If we're gonna do this, we need to get ready. So, and then I'll probably more than likely go live, and then we'll talk about a few things for those of you who want to talk about, like the no spend challenge and any questions or concerns. And if you don't, then I appreciate all your help. And if you want to stick with it and just give yourself 30 days to see how disciplined can you be in 30 days without spending money on frivolous things because you want it. Just sacrifice 30 days and we'll see where we go from there. But thank you guys for watching this video. You guys have a blessed day. Au revoir. A bientôt. À la prochaine.